Welcome to Tech Leveler, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to turn off or on background noise on your iPhone. Now, background noise is a new feature introduced by the iPhone and it helps you relax while doing tasks. So let's show you how to turn it on. First, let's head over to the iPhone settings here on the home screen. Now, on the main iPhone settings, what you want to do is you want to scroll down until we see General here, and then we want to tap into that. And then from the General page, you want to come to the Software Update here, and then you want to make sure that your iPhone is fully up to date. You need to be on iPhone iOS 15 or later for this to work. So once you've confirmed that you're on ISO 15 or above, let's come back out to the main settings and then come right down until we get to accessibility, and then let's tap into that. Now, on accessibility, you want to scroll all the way to the bottom to the hearing section, and from the hearing section you want to tap into audio and visual. And within audio and visual, you'll see the second option here, background sounds. It's currently turned off, and it tells you a little bit about background sounds underneath. Plays background sounds to mask unwanted environmental noise. These sounds can minimize distraction and help you to focus, be calm and rest. So let's tap into this. Now, at the very top here we have background sounds, and it's currently grayed out, so let's toggle this on and this will instantly turn on the background sounds. Now, the second option in the list, you have the sound. It's currently set to rain, so we're having rain sounds played. So let's tap into this. Once you've tapped into this, you can change the noise from balanced noise, bright noise, dark noise, ocean, rain or stream. These are small files, but once you click on them, your iPhone will quickly download them, so your iPhone can play that sound. Then we can come back out to the main background sound options, and on the third option here, ocean volume, we can change the amount of volume that these sounds are played at. Then you have the third option here, use when media is playing. You can toggle this off because I don't think you need it while you're having any music played, so I always turn this off. However, it's personal preference, so you can either have it on or off. Then you have the final option, stop sounds when locked, and it's up to you whether you have it on or off. So if it's on, your toggle will be green, and if it's off, the toggle will be grey. And when this is toggled off and it's grey, when you lock your phone, the sounds will stop. So that's how you turn background noises on or off on your iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.